Hello again, welcome to Uncle Jeff's Easy-Peasy English. Today we're looking at comparatives and superlatives. What, I hear you ask? Comparatives and superlatives. Have a look at my little collection of mugs. So, this mug is smaller than this mug. This mug is smaller than this mug. This one is the smallest mug. Happy so far? Excellent. Have a look again at my little collection of mugs. This mug is bigger than this mug, and this mug is bigger than this one. This mug is the biggest. English grammar, comparisons, easy peasy with Uncle Jeff's help. Thank you for watching. There's no tea in either of those mugs, so I think I'll go and put the kettle on. See you next time. Bye for now.